Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and slowly let it out. Feel your body soften with every exhale, releasing any pressure to do more. Right now, you don't need results, you just need presence. Notice your breath, steady and alive, like a gentle reminder that showing up is enough. Inhale deeply. Imagine planting a small seed with your intention today. Exhale, trusting that with patience and care it will grow in its own time. Silence the need for immediate outcomes. Whisper to yourself, I trust my actions, my results will come. One final breath in and release. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this quiet confidence into the rest of your day.